Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And yes, as you can see on the screen, we are going to create one timer app. Okay, have you ever created a timer app before? If yes, I would love to see that. But if not, keep watching the video so you will understand how to create the timer app. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, this app is created in AppLab code.org, and how it will work now. So basically right now the time is zero, timer is zero. I have not started it yet. So there are three buttons: start, stop, and reset. So as you know the meanings of that, when I click on start button, the timer will start automatically. So we have given one functionality to that after every 1 second you have to increase the time. Okay, and this is how it is working. When I reset, you'll be able to see that the timer will start again from the very start, and when I click on stop button, then it will completely stop. Okay, so this is how it's going to be working, and now I'm going to show you how we can create that. Okay, so here we are back to the code.org app lab. Now let's start to create it. Let's go to design first, and now I'm going to take one component which is called as text area. Take it, put it on the top, and now if I type something, it's looking really small. Inside the text area, I want to display the time. So what I'll do, I'll just increase the width and height for it, and I will increase the font size. Okay, so let me just make it 70. I can make it even bigger. Yeah. And now I want to put the zero in the center. Okay. So there is a text alignment property. It is left. If I make it center, it will automatically come. Okay. Let me put the text as 140. Now it's good. Now, after that, I'm going to take three buttons on the screen, which is called as start, stop, and for reset purpose. So I'll click on the first button. I'll make the text as start. ID also, I will change it to start. ID is nothing but the name of the button. Okay. I have explained everything in my previous videos, like what is the ID, how it should work, and all of like that. So if you have not watched my previous videos, please go ahead and watch it on my channel. Yes. Now I will apply some theme to it. You can select any theme as per your choice. Yeah, this is looking nice. So I'll keep it. If you don't like it, change it. Okay. Now, how do we do it? So, first thing that you have to understand is timer is such a thing where the time will show incremented by 1 after every 1 second. Okay, we want to increase the time after every 1 second. So, how can we do that? We can do that using the variables. So, what is a variable? Variable is basically like a container which can hold a value. So it's like, suppose the variable age. Some of you are maybe 10 years old, 20 years old, 30 years old. So age is the same thing, but age can be different. Like I'll say my age is 20, your age is 30, my age is 10, your age is 15. So I'm talking about age only, but it has different numbers, right? So that means a variable can hold different numbers. Similar with the timer, I'll give the variable name as timer. I'll make it at zero initially, because initially timer will be zero. Now, what I'll do, I'll go to UI control, I'll take on event. First ID is start. I'll make it start. When I click on the start button, I want that the time should start increasing. So I'll go to control. I have to apply one time loop over there. So the second last instruction is there, time loop. I have taken it in. I've already explained it, but if you have not watched my previous video, I'm just explaining it again. I'm sorry for that. Then thousand. What is thousand inside it? Thousand is time in milliseconds. Okay, which is equals to 1 second. So after every 1 second, what I want to do is I want to increase the timer value. I'll make it timer equals timer plus one, and then I'm going to display the timer in this text area which I have taken. So I will do set text of the text area to timer. Timer is a variable, so we don't write in a double quote. Okay, that's all. See, when I run it now, click on start button, you'll be able to see it is increasing. No, what happened? Have I not clicked on the start? Yeah, sorry, that was not clicked at that time. Yes, so this is the way it should work. Okay, now let's do it for the stop and reset button. I'll take two on event so I don't have to come up again and again. I'll take it stop and then the reset. These two are most easiest. Okay, so in the stop, I just have to stop the time loop so that I'll take last instruction from control and it's done. And in the reset, what we usually do, we have to set the time again to 0. So I'll go to variable and again I will put x equals and I'll put timer equals 0 and it will work. Do you want to see how? Let me show you that now. So when I click on run button, start the timer. I'm starting it. It's working now. Okay. Now I want to reset it. That means I want to start it again. I'll click on reset. It will start from again. And now if I want to stop the timer, just click on the stop. It will be stopped. Isn't this easy? So easy. I know that. And I know you will also create it immediately to show to your friends or family members. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something new out of it. Okay. Just 2 points from the video is variable is a container which holds a value, and inside the time loop we have a time in milliseconds. Here it is 1000 milliseconds, which is equals to 1 second. If you want to increase the time or reduce the time, you can change the time from here. Okay. All right, guys, that was it for this class. This is a timer app. Do create it and tell me how it was. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel again, do like, share, and subscribe. It's completely free. Okay. Bye. I'll see you in the next class. Keep coding.